I'm Rudra Rexwal, and it's been like over an year since I have been losing my hair a lot. I've gone through a lot and I've done with PRPs and GFCs around nearby clinics, but it didn't give me any kind of results. So today I'm here in Hairlogics for a transplant, and let's see how it goes. So as you can see, the transplant is done and everything went so well, everything was so great. Doctors and nurses here were so good, so polite. I loved it, honestly, and I didn't felt any kind of pain like people used to say that transplant was, a very painful thing, all those injections and all. Nothing. It was nothing, it was really good. So if anyone is looking for any kind of treatment or anything about their hair, so you can visit Hairlogics. It's really good and it's really great. I loved it. I like it. Thank you.